generally, you know, I was saying that when I really look at it, when I see how our prison situation is so deplorable, it is beyond me why four boy them want to prison 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Because if you got jail one time or two times, you're really not supposed to want to go back. Especially in how Jamaican jail and how Jamaican prison set up. It is such a very deplorable place. I was saying that the man said definitely make the prison nicer. I said, my God, if the prison hold on, if the prison them if I make the prison them with bed and give them flat screen TV and shit, then at that time the Murray will go top in Jamaica.
As me as saying the thing is, the thing is that people know that they can kill somebody and just go chill. And I do a work and I do nothing. If you know say you have to go do, alright, if you hurt somebody, if you kill a man's mother, father, so family member, and repercussion, and then compensation I go do it. You have to go work that money there. Figure make sure so that person have food for the rest of their life. See, so you're not going to
hard labor.
Yeah, Jamaica so big. See, everybody I come up in one place and I live there. So you see them bushes there and them far places where nobody don't want to go live. Fence it up. See, get a plan. Build some houses over there. And then them alone, you have contractors. And them are going to be the person who go build the buildings and stuff. So it's when you know you have to go do a whole for 9 to 5.
Yeah,
and
6 to 6.
Yeah, man, and you see the fact that there is, you see the fact that there is no corporate pump. You can't kill nobody. You can't put nobody on death penalty now.
Yeah,
because they know, so they will just chill.
When they're done, go through this. You can, after 5 years, by the time they reach there, 5 year pass.
Yeah, man. So,
with 5 year pass, they can't beat again after 10 years.
So basically, but we got let you come out. This 5 year foolishness.
That's crazy.
You come up, but what me assist?
They're not having a read.
You have to make it a way. You have to set it a way that when them see them fear it. So I don't want to go in there.
Yeah.
You understand? Because the youth them, and then again, it's because the things that you can do and make your money easy. It is of a criminal nature. Anything, the thing we have to do a bag of work to get money is of a criminal nature. See me? So the thing is that based on how they realize that they can get paid easy and have to go out, because imagine you do a 9 to 5 and you get like $1,500 for the day. When you can go do some criminal act and get 20,000, 100,000, 200,000 for the day.
Oh yes.
You see me? I say
it's quite attractive.
so there is nothing, and then
they have to be a very strong deterrent.
yeah, man, and then there is no, and them know that they realize that people are doing back act and they are not being caught, they are not being jailed. You understand me? And even if them get jailed, them pay them way out of jail.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
Yeah. So no, because the judge them is so petty in the sentence.